Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a special video for you all. I wanted to share some new things that came to Glassboard Studio. They were nice enough to send me some new items that they have in stock, and I'm super excited to share them with you. If you are new here, guys, Glassboard Studio, they specialize in craft glass mats, guys. These mats are so awesome. This is the one that they sent me. It is huge. It is, I want to say, 22 by maybe 18 inches, and it covers the most of my desk here. This is an IKEA desk that I have in my craft room, and it is awesome, guys. With this glass mat, okay, so every month they have a new design, so you have to only get those. It's only available for that month, guys, and once the month is over with, that design of the board is not available. These glass mats, they come in several designs, several sizes, and they also have some that have like really cute like the one that I was gonna pick, it had florals, but I decided to go with this one because I figured that no matter what kind of project that I'm using, no matter what color I'm playing with, you would be able to see it against this glass. They have black, they have white, and they also have an option for you to customize. You can create your own design onto your glass mat, so you can write your name on it, and it's really cute for videos and stuff like that. But guys, this is top of the line, like amazing quality glass mats. Okay, guys, they also sell tons of other accessories. They have like writing boards, all kind of items. Okay, I'm gonna have everything listed down below for you guys, and I also have a code with them, which is Fuji20, which is my highest coupon code that I have with the company. So it saves you 20% off your entire purchase. And I want all my friends who have purchased one of these to leave a comment down below and let everyone know how much you love your glass mat. I'm obsessed with it. Like I said, they come out with new designs every single month, and every month I'm tempted to grab another one. I'm surprised that I don't have about 20 different glass mats, because it will, seriously, you will want to get one every month. They just have the cutest designs. So some of the accessories they have are these pawn magnets, and these are so strong, you guys. Look at them. You have to be careful. Oh my god, it's so strong. Basically, these are awesome for crafting. So if you're doing some stenciling, if you are working on some inking, or just really anything that you want to hold down, these are awesome. So let's just use this as an example. And these magnets, they hold up to, I want to say 25 pages at a time. So they're really, really awesome. They're essential. And these come in all kind of different colors. Okay, guys, they're so cute. Let's go ahead and open what they sent to me, because they did come out with some new magnets. And of course I had to grab the pink, but like I said, they have every color, just about every color you can think of. So whatever your favorite color is, check out the site, guys. They're a really awesome company, and I'm so thankful for them sending this stuff out to me. Okay, so these are the new magnets that just came out. So these guys are called the Pawn Magnets, and again, I have everything linked. This is a new one. I'm not sure what the name is, but I will have it listed, and it is much wider. Let's check these out. And then this one, guys, they're so strong. Look at, they're sticking together already. So this one here is a newer one, and I love that it has, this is easy to pick up. So you probably want to grab this one. And then they also have this one, which is wider, and it's a flatter surface. So they're just so cute, guys, and I love that they are coming out with some new things. And again, these are gonna be, this is such a cute finish. Look at that. Oh my god, so pretty. So this is gonna be it's gonna hold a lot better, especially with stenciling, because you do have to use sometimes a few of these, like maybe 4. So these would be awesome to get in conjunction with these. Okay, so I'll be able to hold down the stencil definitely with these two, and it's not gonna go anywhere. Guys, these are so powerful, like, oh my god. And they are beautiful. I'm loving the design. I hope that they want to collab with me one day. I do have an idea for a pawn, and I don't know, but hopefully they'll want to collab with me one day, because I have a really cute idea for some magnets for them. But guys, run to glassboardstudio.com and snatch these magnets if you already have one of these. And if you don't have one of these glass mats, guys, you need one. I know that the prices, they fluctuate. The smaller ones obviously going to be a lot cheaper than the bigger ones. But guys, it is a great investment. It's definitely an investment. If you want to save up for a huge one, get a smaller one to start with, guys. They are amazing, and they are especially so helpful with videos. If you are a YouTuber or if you do reels and stuff like that, they're just gorgeous. And don't forget that option of you being able to design your own glass mat. Okay, I think that that is such an awesome thing. I went ahead and got the solid plain one because, again, I wasn't sure, you know, what part of my mat would show and whatnot on camera. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. Be sure to use my code Poochie20 to save 20% off your entire purchase. Everything will be linked down below. And again, all my friends who have purchased these items, please comment down below so everyone knows how amazing and how happy you are with your glass mats. I love mine. I seriously love mine. I do have other glass mats, but this one is my favorite by far because of the size and the quality. It is really thick, guys, and it is just amazing. Okay, so leave your comments down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And thank you to Glassboard Studio for being kind enough to send me these new items. All right, bye, guys.